Ironing out the issues, understanding and using the phrase. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting English phrase, iron out the issues. This expression is widely used in both professional and personal contexts, but what does it really mean? And how can you use it correctly? Let's dive into the details and highlight its significance in communication. Iron out the issues is a metaphorical phrase that means to resolve problems or difficulties in a situation. Imagine using an iron to smooth out wrinkles in a piece of clothing. Similarly, when you iron out the issues, you are working to smooth out complications or disagreements that are making a situation difficult. While the exact origin of iron out the issues is a bit unclear, it's rooted in the literal action of ironing, removing wrinkles from clothes, symbolizing the process of eliminating problems or misunderstandings. Over time, this action became a metaphor for problem-solving in various aspects of life and work. 1. In a business context, before launching the product, the team needs to iron out the issues with the design to ensure it meets customer expectations. 2. In personal relationships, they went to a counselor to iron out the issues in their marriage and improve communication. 3. In academic or learning environments, the professor asked for feedback to iron out the issues with the new syllabus. Using this phrase can help convey a proactive and positive approach to solving problems. Listen for context. Pay attention to the context in which iron out the issues is used. It's often about resolving or addressing challenges. Practice using the phrase. Try using iron out the issues in your own sentences. This could be in writing exercises or speaking practice, focusing on areas where you want to resolve misunderstandings or difficulties. Remember the metaphor. Thinking about the literal action of ironing clothes can help you remember and understand the figurative meaning of this phrase. We hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, iron out the issues, and how it can be used to express the idea of resolving problems. English is full of such vivid expressions, and learning them can add color and precision to your communication. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to reach out with any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos. Happy learning, and see you next time.